guys excited?
Yeah! We're gonna see big bulldozers.
Yay!
Big bulldozers.
You guys want to leave Daddy here? Bye, Dad. How'd he do that? What is that? A dump truck? I don't think that's a dump truck. What is that?
That's a Juliet.
That's Juliet. Is that a dozer?
Yes.
Do you think that's a dozer?
Yes.
Ah.
And an excavator.
Let's go look. Come on, go. What you think, Bray? Are they massive? Where you going, Jules? You gonna get in? Dude, this thing is huge. Are you scared? Woohoo! Do a Fortnite dance. Hey!
If I had a sword, that would be like...
Yeah. Love that. A little bit. What? What you doing? Are you up top?
Yes, I'm in here, Mommy. I'm in here.
What are you inside?
Inside.
What is that?
This is a dozer.
A dozer.
I just want to drive it.
Daddy's gonna drive it?
Yes, guys. No, I am. No.
Yeah, we'll shut the door.
You think you can? Let's see if you can climb up there. Can you make it all the way up? Let's try. Let's see if we can do it. There, we can go up that way, right? That's way easy. Look at Daddy pushing dirt. Look at that. Be careful. This may be as far as you can go. Wanna hold my hand? Where are you going? Oh my gosh, Daddy's coming over here. Oh my gosh.
Daddy, no. Stay not.
Oh gosh, he's gonna push us. You don't think he will, do you?
We just don't even have to.
You're okay. Got it? Hi, Eli. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see if you can.
You want to fall down like this? Go there.
Yeah, nice, dude. Nice. You just gotta believe in yourself. Juliet! What did you think about that?
We just drove that dozer vehicle.
You just drove it?
Yes, I just drove this.
What did you think of it? Did you push some dirt or gravel, whatever that was?
I just pushed these rocks.
Wow!
Pushed those rocks out of the way.
Wow! Was it so cool?
Yes, I just pushed these rocks
These
out
ones?
of the way.
You pushed those ones out of the way?
Yes, I did, Mommy. Out of the way, Mommy.
Wow! Was it so cool? Yeah.
Yes, Mommy. Can I drive that one?
I don't know.
Mommy, can I drive? Please. Can I drive it?
Yeah, we have a...
Can I drive that one? Can I drive that one?
I can't believe you don't want to drive the dozer.
You don't want to drive the dozer?
That's Mom.
You can help
Eli.
Daddy push some dirt.
Eli, you want to push some dirt with Daddy?
No. Fearless, except for when it comes to that.
It's because it's loud.
I know.
What do you think of that?
Eli! Juliet just pushed that dirt. Well, rocks.
It's asphalt.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but I wasn't sure. Bray, you should climb up there. What?
Definitely not climbing up there. It has one of those wiggly steps that shouldn't exist.
Oh, yeah? Wiggly steps. Show me what you're talking about, man. These things are freaking massive. Oh. One of those wiggly steps.
One up. We can't drive it. It has a flat tire.
You can go up, though. You can go check it out. Get up there on that big dump truck. Hi, guys. You're way up there. And I'm all the way down here.
Daddy. Daddy, come here.
Julie, yeah, what'd you think about that one?
It's heavy.
Perfect?
Yeah, I know. We're really high. Let Daddy out first. Stand by the door.
It was like making like music? Yeah? That thing was, it was shaking a little bit. It was shaking a little bit.
Yeah. You don't want to run this.
That's old Bertha right there.
You don't want to run this one all day.
Jesus, man, no kidding.
I'm not leaving you.
How old do you think that thing is?
Oh, this is like a 2000.
No way.
Yeah.
Dude, that thing is massive.
That's an 80s model there.
Dang.
That one actually runs better than that one.
I believe it.
Yeah. Look at that monkey.
So this guy by your guys' new yard?
Yeah, that's up over there.
Cool. Wanna climb up in there? That's where all the rocks and dirt and all that go. Wow. It's huge. I used to love climbing in the bed of dump trucks. It's not attached to anything.
Because you're not supposed to have stairs, and that's where the dirt goes.
Where's the steering wheel gone?
The steering wheel?
Yeah. It's gone.
What happened to it?
It just broke.
It broken? Yeah.
I want to go over there.
Where? On the cement pad?
You like that, don't you?
Yeah. And see over there.
Yeah, Daddy likes that one too.
What's over there?
That was the one I was operating.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Well, it rides smoother than that 10 a lot. The only thing that sucks is having the ripper, because then you're the one ripping the stone.
Well, Leah liked it. Whoa, let me look at that bolt, Eli. Dude.
Yeah, someone broke it.
Yeah? What you gonna do, Leah? That one's not so loud, huh? That one's not so loud. Are you scared? Oh.
Bad forklift.
Yeah. Say no forklift. Is this your truck?
See that?
What happened to it?
Oh, this one's a horse truck.
She's a beauty?
No, don't go up there. You get this creature trap.
What is it? Whoa. That's huge.
Yeah, we put a lot of dirt in this hole.
Wow.
Oh,
She got a boo-boo.
Look at the creature tracks, baby.
Aw, little deer track.
Yeah, is this a heart?
It looks like a heart, don't
That's a
it?
hoof trap.
Aw.
It's like a baby. That's a baby deer track, I think. Yeah. Look at the deer tracks, Aaliyah.
Mommy, look.
Look at that. That's so cool. Yes, babe. Look at that. Boop, boop, boop.
Okay.
One more thing.
Hey, can I show you my rock now? It's got glitter in it. Look at my rock. It's got
It's
glitter.
a shiny rock.
Look at that.
It's shiny rock. Can I hold it?
Yeah. Do you love it?
Yeah. Yeah, we don't.
Oh, my pretty rock. My pretty rock. My pretty
Stay away from the
rock.
edge, honey.
That's a pretty rock.
It has some glitter in it.
It has glitter in it? I don't know. I don't know if I think that one's as pretty, but thank you. Should I go get it?
Yep.
Crazy.
Mommy.
Yepper.
Yes, you can't go down there.
I don't know. I'm wearing flip-flops, and that don't seem like a good idea. Let's throw another rock. Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo! Let's throw those ones down there.
Hurry up.
What's wrong? You want another pretty rock? I think I can find another one. Aaliyah, did you throw your passy? Girl, what are you doing? You're lucky you didn't throw it all the way down. What the heck? What the heck?
See it rolling. I'm like, oh, here we go.
Huge.
No.
You lost that one, Aaliyah.
Yep.